That'll provide at least some shelter. Oh. Yeah. There's fewer of the big stones here. Well, there's... I really want to get one. But I'm not going out in this. Hell no. Yeah, there's some baseballs. Please don't lose a window. Hey man.
Hey man, is there an underpass or anything over there?
Into it right there. Stuff's rushing in here.
Yeah.
It's pulling into it.
Yeah.
I like this east northeast wind too.
Yeah.
There's some nice size hail on that.
Oh yeah. It shows softballs holding on my radar.
We got in some baseballs.
2 inch,
We got some
pretty close to baseball. We didn't actually measure. We measured 2.25, but
look at that green core. Oh my gosh. Dude, look at that inflow!
Sweet mother of... That is some of the craziest inflow ever. I think I've ever seen. It's amazing videos, but we haven't seen the tornado yet. I know there were 2 reported, but we're on the wrong side of the sea. But it is...
One shot as this thing will fly. That's it. Wait, is that a funnel?
Oh, that's
tornado!
Tornado!
No, it hasn't touched down yet, dude. But we can't see the base. It's a funnel.
That's
Well, it's still a long ways up in the air. I know, I see it. We want to get a funnel.
Yeah, there's like
I've just been filming the whole time. Oh, it's gonna be a oh! Look at the structure with the storm. Shit, we're already getting hail, so. Damn it. No, I don't want me.
Don't tell me it's lifting.
No, dude, it's on the ground solid. Oh, base or golf ball.
What?
Golf ball, watch out.
Oh, fuck. Shit, man. It's not on the ground anymore, dude.
Probably is.
It's gonna